Go to
Someone who's very
Carol
cuddly, indeed, is Carol.
Yes, Carol. There you go. This is a nice warm welcome, isn't it, Carol?
We're sending you a
certainly
team
is.
cuddle from Salt.
Yeah, team huddle there.
I tell you what, I've had worse throws than that one, but thank you and good morning, everybody. This morning, though, if you're travelling, it's worth noting the Met Office has an amber weather warning in force for heavy snow across northern England. It kicks in at 3 o'clock this afternoon and it lasts until noon tomorrow. There'll be some treacherous travelling conditions. Now, we've got lying snow already. Alton Harris seeing the most, 11 centimetres. But these sites across northern England, where we've got 1 or 2, will really romp up as we go through later today and into tomorrow. The other thing is we've got this low pressure. It's a potent area with its weather fronts, mild air to the south, but as it bumps into the cold air, that's why we're seeing the snow that bit further north. And talking of mild air, at the moment in Newquay, the temperature is 11 degrees. It's minus 16 in Alton Harris, so there's a 27-degree difference in temperature once again today, north to south. So we start off with some clear skies, the risk of ice, some frost as well in the north, the peppering of showers here. Any rain, sleet and snow across southern England, any sleet and snow will quite rapidly turn back to rain. But we've got the snow continuing across parts of Wales, the Midlands and also into northern England. Not just through the afternoon, but we'll have that through the morning as well. So totals really beginning to rise. Then you factor in the wind and that snow will be blowing around and also drifting. It's cold for much of the UK, away from the south where we've already got the milder Atlantic air. Now, the Met Office has the less severe weather warnings out, the yellow ones. These are the amounts of snow you can expect to see. They also cover ice as well. And these totals here doesn't mean that everywhere in the warning area is going to see that amount of snow. Some of us will just have some rain or some sleet. But it's the amber weather warning I really want to draw your attention to. This is the more serious of the two. You can see the area across the Pennines where we could have up to 40 centimetres. That is up to 16 inches in Old Money. Now, with the strengthening winds, there'll be blowing, there'll be drifting, there'll be blizzards. There will be some treacherous travelling conditions. If you are travelling today, tonight or tomorrow, do bear this in mind. What's going to happen then as we go through the latter part of the afternoon is we'll start to see some more snow push up towards the north. And then as we move on into Friday morning, you can see what we're looking at. It's going to be another cold night and there will also be some further snow. So these totals continuing to build. On Friday, the low pressure does start to pull away. It's still going to be windy for a time. We'll still have some of that snow in eastern areas for a time, but then things settle down just a touch and the next system is waiting in the wings. So looking at Friday more closely, here's the snow, still windy around it, still some rain and sleet on the coast as well. That moves away, brighter skies follow on behind and there will be some sunshine. But not forgetting, we still are looking at wintry showers over the next few days across the north of Scotland. Temperatures 4, 5s, quite widely, but down in the south. Note how the temperatures have slipped just a little bit, 7s and 8s instead of the double figures that we are looking at the moment. Charlie and Nina.
Thank you very much, Carol.